Cannabis is changing. It has gone from being an illegal black market illicit product to acceptance as a medical wellness product for a variety of ailments, to today being more and more accepted around the world as a recreational product, to the point now where cannabis has been even declared an essential service in some jurisdictions in light of the recent pandemic. There's currently over 70 nations and states that have legalized, decriminalized, or allowed medical use of cannabis. Cannabis has a tremendous growth potential. The cannabis industry is projected to be anywhere from $100 billion to $300 billion worldwide industry as it grows and becomes more and more accepted around the world. Greenlight Analytical has developed an innovative solution to allow licensed producers of cannabis to measure more plants directly in the greenhouse in real time in a platform that can be used by trained but non-expert operators. Using mass spectrometry, which is generally considered the gold standard of chemical analysis in the laboratory, combined with an innovative sample introduction system that eliminates the labor-intensive, error-prone sample preparation, as well as backed up with a machine learning artificial intelligence algorithm to interpret the data for the user, the results can be understood by a trained non-expert user. You don't need special skills or a PhD in chemistry to understand the output of the instrument. Cannabis producers need to focus on maximizing yield from the amount of licensed space. At the same time, they need to optimize their product for potency, flavor, and taste that their customers are demanding. Cannabis is an agricultural product, and as such, despite our best efforts, Mother Nature makes the rules.
As a boutique supplier of high-quality cannabis, this technology will allow us to identify the best times at which we should harvest that cannabis, and also allow us the opportunity to identify the best way to cure that cannabis, whether it includes changes in our environment or change in our curing process, both from the production side and the R&D side. This is an excellent tool for us.
As a result, there's an unmet need in the marketplace right now for producers to be able to measure more plants more frequently directly in the grow house. That eliminates the complex and labor-intensive sample preparation that also leads to human error and variability in results. Using contract labs would be prohibitively expensive and prohibitively time-consuming. There is also an opportunity to increase revenue by optimizing crops, both for yield and for potency. Producers would like to be able to identify the point at which the plants reach their maximum quality, whether that's taste, smell, potency, or some combination of them, harvest that crop, get a new revenue generating crop in, and improve the overall throughput of the facility. Not only do we provide the most accurate, most comprehensive device for testing cannabis in real time right in the greenhouse, our artificial intelligence algorithm can be automatically updated through the cloud so that producers always have access to the latest libraries as new strains are developed, as new chemicals of interest become important, as new flavors are identified, making Greenlight Analytical not only the best tool for producers today, but also in the years to come. We've assembled a world-class team to execute our strategy. We have combined over 100 years experience in developing field portable, highly accurate instrumentation for a variety of applications. I've been involved in field portable instrumentation for almost 20 years now, deploying instruments into the security sector for explosives and chemical warfare agent detection, as well as food and dairy industry. Our Chief Operating Officer and VP Engineering, Simon Benwell, has a wealth of experience in transitioning new technologies from the laboratory and R&D into manufacturable product. That's a critical skill that is missing in many startup companies. David Rafferty. David is currently scientific advisor. We're hoping to bring him on board as our Chief Technology Officer when the time allows. David is one of a handful of people in the world that is a renowned expert in field portable and outside the laboratory applications for chemical analysis. He has a long list of patents, speaking engagements, and is well known around the world as a leading expert in instrumentation. Our Chief Financial Officer comes from a well-respected firm here in Canada. And we're lucky to have our medical professional on our team. She's an RN by trade that understands the regulations concerning not only cannabis, but also other products as they become legal in the marketplace. In summary, Greenlight Analytical is revolutionizing how we think about cannabis crop testing, optimization, and validation.